Oh, look at bro's one with the machine.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Dude, you are. Look at this guy. Bro was literally one with the machine because he can't read. You see?
You should look at what that word means. I'm not gambling.
Stop it. Get some help.
Look at this guy. That was so funny.
Look at bro's disappointed in himself.
That's hella fun. That's hella funny. We caught Mr. Scalpy. Yeah, but you're not letting anybody else hit it. No, you're not. You literally were standing next to it before I even got here. And then you took all the packs, so. It's crazy we caught this on live. This is so funny. No, I'm not gonna. I'm not poor, bro. Dude, you're the one camping's fucking Pokemon machine.
Gotcha, bitch.